Okay, what does the cow say?
Moo.
What does horsey say? What does a pig say? What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does a doggy say?
Look, look.
What does an owl say?
Ooh, ooh.
What does a dinosaur say? Can you count? How many is this? Look at this.
What?
1,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4. Got it.
5.
5, 6. I'll go.
7.
I'll go fire it.
What is that?
Fire! Oh, which over?
What does a goat say?
What?
What does a goat say?
Bah! A sheep.
What does a sheep say?
Bah!
What's a frog say?
Rabbit, rabbit.
What does daddy say?
Oh, doggy.
Daddy's a doggy.
Yeah. I do it. I do it.
You do it, Daddy.
Daddy do what?
What's doggy say?
Bark, bark.
No, doggy. Do it.
Hey, ask Daddy. Say what does a cat say?
Meow.
Ask Daddy what's a cat say?
Say meow.
Say what does a cat say?
Rabbit.
No, a cat.
Arf, arf.
Hi.
Hi. Rabbit, what's that?
What? We live in Grass Hut.
No, I only am.
Say where do we live? Say Arizona.
Oh.
Look at Mommy.
What?
Say I live. Say I.
Just stare at the sky.
Serenity. What's your name?
Really?
Look at me.
Way down. Hey, doggy. This.
Can you say hey to Nana and Papa?
Mama, what's your favorite food?
Hey, look at me.
What?
Say hi Nana.
Let's see.
Say hi Nana.
Where Nana go?
Tell Nana. Say hi Nana.
Let's see.
I'm going to show this to Nana.
Where Nana go?
Nana's in North Carolina.
Oh, how fun it. I want to go. Oh, our house in Nana Papa.
You want to go to Nana and Papa's house?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Please, Mama. Look at doggy. Midnight.
Hey, what does a snake say?
I try, Mama.
Let's see, what else is, what other animals are there?
Mommy, I try.
The duck.
What does a duck say?
Quack, quack. Oh, I'm from a snake.
What's a
What's a
chicken?
goose?
What's a chicken say?
Bop, bop,
Bop, bop, bop.
What about a goose?
Say honk, honk.
bop. I don't try.
What about a donkey?
Donkey.
A donkey.
What?
See your butt.
Yeehaw.
I try snake.
You gonna be a snake?
Yeah.
Okay, be a snake. Show Nana and Papa how you can be a snake.
Go on the other side.
Okay, turn around. Okay, right there.
Oh. Yeah, you.
Hey, what does a monkey say?
Watching me. Watching me.
Just being a snake, Daddy.
She's going on low crawl.
Come here. Come here. Hey, Serenity. What's a mouse say? Come here. Oh, I'm sorry. Come here. Hey, what's on your shirt?
Butterfly.
And what color is this? What color are your shorts? Serenity. Come here. Serenity and come here. Well, I want you to come here.
I can't.
You can't. Look at that attitude. Hey. What color's your shorts? Hey! Do you want to go see Nana and Papa?
I can't.
Stop saying I can't.
No.
Hey. Look at that look. Hey, what's this?
John! Look at his hair. Oh, boat. A boat.
Ooh, there's mosquitoes out here. What? Yeah. Come here. What are those?
A ghost.
What is that?
A ghost.
A ghost?
Ghost. The ghost
Mhm.
has a light.
Hey, come here. Say pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Say ghosts.
Ghost.
Witch.
Witch.
Spider.
Spider.
Say goblin.
Goblin.
Say come here. Say bat.
Cat.
Not cat. Bat.
Bat.
Come here. Come here. Say, come here. Say Halloween.
Halloween.
Come here. Say Halloween.
Halloween.
Say I'm gonna be a fairy. Look, he's waving.
I think she should be a little devil. She already has the horns.
She gets it from you.
Just from Mama.
He ain't going anywhere, even though he's trying. I think it needs to be tied down a little bit more. What do you think? What? Serenity, come here. Yes, you can. Come here. 1, 2. Say bye.
Bye.